You made your decision to take a step back. And that is when the shift happens, right? He started sending flowers, remembered my birthday. He wrote beautiful messages saying he could not imagine his life without me. Wow, there he was, the person of my dreams. I felt elated. The phone lights up, butterflies in my stomach, a spike of excitement and hope runs through. Maybe he has finally changed and we will have our happily ever after. I read the message again. The words are grand. I am being pulled back in. Hoovering feels like this. Big gestures, quick promises, pressure to secure connection again. But there is no clear ownership of harm or responsibility. No patience for what you need. What matters is what they want from us. The focus is on getting us back, not changing how they show up for us. Repair feels different in the body, slower, specific, accountable. It accepts the boundaries and gives us time. It shows the change, then keeps showing it over and over again. This is boundaries, agency, and responsibility in my self-worth framework.